Hello, this is Paula Bernal. This is the second trial of the experiment effect of different saccharose concentrations on preservation of mango and strawberry jam. So in this experiment, we measured two independent variables. The first one was the pH of the solution, and the second one was the type of fruit used. So first, to measure the first independent variable, what I did is to prepare three different saccharose solutions. So the first one is 20% volume by volume saccharose solution. The next one is 40%, and then the third one is 60%. After that, I inoculated 20 milliliters of the respective saccharose solution into 3 samples of mango jam. So this is the mango jam plus 20, mango jam plus 40, and mango jam plus 60. After that, I set up the controls of this experiment: the negative control, which has 0% of saccharose solution; the positive control, which has 60% of saccharose solution; and the test control, which has 20% of saccharose solution. Then I placed all these solutions into a glass container, which is here. I put it on the fridge, which has a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius, and then I'm gonna measure the pH of these solutions every day for 7 days to check the effect of the pH in these solutions. And so for the second independent variable, which is the type of fruit, I placed mango jam and strawberry jam without any saccharose solution in a glass container on the fridge at 4 degrees Celsius. And what we did in this to measure this independent variable was to give 4 panelists a questionnaire on quality of food to determine if the strawberry jam spoils faster than mango jam or not. So what we are gonna do is that we are going to put this on the fridge, and then each day for 7 days give the same questionnaires to the panelists to verify the difference on their answers.
Hello, this is Julissa from Section 103. Today, I'll be presenting my experiment from Microbiology Project Trial 2. This project pretends to show the effect of different concentrations of saccharose on the preservation of mango and strawberry jam. And we want to determine that the preservation in mango jam will be better with higher concentration of saccharose. First of all, for the setup, I will make sure that the fridge has the right temperature of 4 Celsius, which needs to be consistent all throughout both trials. And for the environmental conditions, the plastic bags will remain closed for 7 days at the same temperature. And these are the controls for this trial: are mango jam with no sugar added is the negative control, and mango with 60% of saccharose, which is the positive control, and the test control with 20% of saccharose. And the 3 trials: when mango jam with 20% saccharose, mango jam with 40% saccharose, and the 60% saccharose, will be placed on the fridge for 7 days and tested every day. Hello, this is Julissa from Section 103. This video is to present the second independent variable, which is type of fruits. And we want to determine that mango jam will have better organoleptic evaluation than strawberry jam. As the same for the second independent variable, the fridge has the right temperature of 40 Celsius, which needs to be consistent all throughout the trial. And for the environmental conditions, the plastic bags will remain closed for 7 days at the same temperature. Here, there is an example for how the organoleptic evaluation is going to be presented for the panelists for 7 days. For the controls, we have mango jam and strawberry jam, and the trials that are going to be tested by organoleptic evaluation using hedonic scale and the description of color, aroma, and texture for 7 days by 4 panelists. And here are the controls and results for the second independent variable. And finally, the results for the controls and tests for the different concentration saccharose, where we can observe that the positive control has a bright yellow, then the negative control that has a dark yellow. For the test, the first image is for the 60% saccharose, the second is for the 40, and the third one is for the 20% saccharose. And for the texture, we can observe that it's going more watery, and for the color, the same as the controls, it's going more dark yellow.